Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Class UKG, subject English, and the topic is sound of CH. The sound of CH is ch. So today we will study some words of ch. Cheek, CHICK. Chop, CHOP. Lunch, LUNCH. Church, CHURCH. Chain, CHAIN. Bench, BENCH. Chew, CHEW. Cheese, CHEESE. Chili, CHILLI. Chips, CHIPS. Chin, CHIN. Chance, CHANCE. Check, CHECK. Much, MUCH. Teach, TEACH. Now we will write some words of CH sound in our notebook. Here I have written 10 words of CH sound. The sound of CH is ch. LUNCH, lunch. CHIN, chin. CHILLI, chili. BENCH, bench. CHIPS, chips. CHEESE, cheese. CHAIR, chair. CHEEKS, cheeks. CHANCE, chance. CHECK, check. Okay, in this way you can write some more words of CH sound. Hope you all understood very well.